आज इस वीडियो में बात करेंगे अबाउट माइकोप्लाज्मास। माइकोप्लाज्मास भी प्रोकैरियोट्स होते हैं, यानी ये यूनिसेल्युलर ऑर्गेनिजम्स होते हैं और इनके सेल्स में मेम्ब्रेन बाउंड ऑर्गेनेल्स प्रेजेंट नहीं होते हैं। लेकिन इनमें एक इंपॉर्टेंट चीज आपको याद रखनी चाहिए, दे कैन रिप्रोड्यूस, दे कंप्लीट देयर life cycle independently. They need not to go within the cells to complete their life cycle. And one important thing about them is that they lack cell wall. इनमें cell wall present नहीं होता है. So two important things यहाँ पर आप याद रखिए, that is they are prokaryotes which can reproduce independently, और ये ऐसे organisms होते हैं जिनमें cell wall present नहीं होता है. They were discovered by Nocard and Rox in 1898. They are prokaryotes. Again, they are unicellular organisms which lack membrane-bound organelles, especially nucleus. They are gram-negative. Say this is a mycoplasma cell. ये जानने के लिए whether it is gram-negative और gram-positive, तो पहले इसको treat किया जाता है with crystal violet, और जिसकी वजह से it will take up purple color. Then it is treated with iodine to fix the dye, and then this cell is treated with alcohol to see whether it will lose this dye or not. And it has been seen that it loses the dye. Hence, it is gram-negative, and this technique is called as gram staining technique. Next is they lack cell wall. That is why they cannot be treated with penicillin. So penicillin is ineffective against these organisms because penicillin destroys cell wall. और इनमें जो सेल मेम्ब्रेन होता है that is triple layered, and their cell membrane contains this lipid called as sterol. Sterol is present in the cell membrane of these mycoplasmas. Next is they are pleomorphic in shape, means they do not have a particular shape. They keep on changing their shape. That is why they are called as jokers of microbiological park. Next is mycoplasma are very small in size. They are the smallest prokaryotes which lack cell wall. और इनका साइज कितना होता है 0.1 to 0.25 micrometer. So they are very small and can easily pass through the bacteria proof filter. Next is their genetic material. माइकोप्लाज्मास का जो जेनेटिक मटेरियल है वो होता है डीएनए, जस्ट लाइक अदर प्रोकैरियोट्स, बट यहां पर एक चीज आपको याद रखनी है कि इनका जो डीएनए है इट इज लीनियर इन शेप. बाकी प्रोकैरियोट्स में डीएनए इज सर्कुलर इन शेप, लेकिन माइकोप्लाज्मास में डीएनए इज लीनियर इन शेप, और यहां पर देयर इज ओनली सिंगल molecule of DNA. Single molecule of DNA is present in the cells of mycoplasma, and this DNA is double stranded. So the most important thing which you have to remember is that their DNA is linear in shape. Next is mycoplasmas are facultative anaerobes. They are aerobic organisms which can live without oxygen. Such type of organisms which are actually aerobic organisms but which can perform respiration without oxygen, such type of organisms are called as facultative anaerobes. They are the aerobic organisms which can live without oxygen. क्या हम इनको ग्रो कर सकते हैं आर्टिफिशियल न्यूट्रिएंट मीडियम में? और इसका आंसर है यस, दे कैन बी ग्रोन इन आर्टिफिशियल न्यूट्रिएंट medium because they do not use host cells for their multiplication like rickettsias and chlamydia. So there is no need to use cell cultures for their cultivation. You can cultivate them in simple artificial nutrient medium. Now what about their nutrition? They are heterotrophic in nutrition. They are heterotrophs. They obtain nutrients, especially organic matter, from surroundings. और ये बात आपको याद रखनी है that they are parasites. They obtain this organic matter from the living host. और hosts usually इनमें plants और animals होते हैं जिनमें ये different types of diseases करते हैं. These are parasites which also cause diseases in plants and animals because plants and animals are their hosts. They obtain the organic matter from these living hosts. Next is कि ये जो माइकोप्लाज्मास होते हैं ये प्लांट्स और एनिमल्स में डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ डिजीजेस करते हैं. जैसे कि प्लांट्स में ये इंपॉर्टेंट डिजीज जो करते हैं उनका नाम है लिटिल लीफ डिजीज इन ब्रिंजल, बंची टॉप ऑफ पपाया एंड विचेस ब्रूम ऑफ ग्राउंड नट. एनिमल्स में दे कॉज मेल स्टर्लिटी, दे कॉज इन्फ्लेमेशन ऑफ जेनिटल्स इन मेन, and they cause bovine pleuropneumonia. They cause pleuropneumonia in bovine animals. That is why they are called as PPLOs, pleuropneumonia like organisms. So this is all about Mycoplasma.